Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today's video is for adventure seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. So get ready for the ultimate travel companion, Deaprull's car refrigerator, portable cooler that's here to elevate your on-the-go experience. So with no further ado, let's dive into the fantastic features that make this cooler a game changer. So, kicking off with the upgraded four-wheel design, the Deaprull car refrigerator boasts four large 3-inch wheels that transform it into a breeze to move almost like a suitcase. Dragging it across grass, dirt roads, or sandy paths is a one-person job, effectively reducing body stress and protecting the lumbar spine. The installation was super easy. You just need to screw the four wheels to the base of the refrigerator. It comes with two chargers, an AC outlet charger and a car charger. This outdoor camp fridge comes with an impressive 45 quart capacity, making it the perfect solution for truck drivers, RV enthusiasts, campers, and boat owners, and also can be used in many more cases. It can store up to 55 cans of soda, 48 bottles of water. It's your go-to companion for fresh and frozen essentials on the road. Deaprull car refrigerator features an advanced compressor imported from Germany, ensuring a longer service life. And also with rapid cooling capabilities, it can go from 77 degrees Fahrenheit minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit within 60 minutes. Plus, it intelligently switches between eco and max modes, saving energy without compromising performance. Enjoy versatility with multiple power modes. This portable refrigerator is compatible with 12 by 24 volt DC and 100 to 240 volt AC, supporting charging at home, in the car, or even through solar transfer. It's a must-have for camping, travel, and any outdoor adventures, ensuring cold drinks are always within reach. You can take control of the temperature with ease through the LCD panel. For added convenience during long trips, Deaprull app allows remote control of the cooler's operation, making your journeys safer and more enjoyable. You don't need to worry about noise disrupting your travel vibes. With low noise, less than 40 dB, and efficient airflow circulation for quick heat dissipation, the portable freezer ensures a peaceful journey without sacrificing performance. Installation is a breeze as mentioned. Simply screw on the wheels and pull rods and you are good to go. This car refrigerator isn't just for outdoor adventures, it's equally perfect for indoor use as well. So whether it's picnics, RV trips, camping, it adapts to your lifestyle seamlessly, providing storage for everything from water to fruits and vegetables. And also, as I mentioned, it is easy to drag and you don't need any help from nobody, as the wheels are really strong either in mud or roads. No matter where, you can just drag it and keep going. So there you have it, the Deaprull car refrigerator, your ideal travel companion. So whether you are embarking on a road trip, camping adventure, or simply enjoying the great outdoors, this portable cooler has got your back, and it is more suitable for truck drivers as they definitely need something like this to keep them moving on the road. Let me know in the comments below if you are ready to elevate your travel experience with the Deaprull car refrigerator, and if it's something you are considering, and if you have any questions or comments about this car refrigerator, and if you like this video and find it useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Stay cool and keep exploring. Peace.